Hi Pisces! This is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng daily reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. Okay? So alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari po for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya to gamit ang ating tarot card. Okay? So, reminder lang na ito ay general reading Pisces. So pwede pong mag-resonate, pwede pong hindi. And this is a timeless reading. So kahit anong araw, buwan, taon mo to napanood, basta tugma sa'yo, take mo lang, okay? And welcome po ang lahat ng gender. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, ay pwede po sa feminine or masculine na energy. Okay, so alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari sa Pisces sa araw na napanood niya to. Mga gabay, mensahe ng ating tarot card for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya ito. Any messages po para kay Pisces na nanonood ngayon? Mga gabay, mensahe. Oh, wow! There's the Star and there's a Six of Wands. There's a recognition that you deserve, Pisces. There's something na pangarap na abot mo na, okay? Kasi, napapansin nyo, there's the Star and at the same time, there's the Six of Wands, okay? Dalawang kamay and ngayon magkahawak na sila. Okay, so there's something na pinangarap mo together with a specific person, Pisces. Pwedeng ito ay loved one, asawa, boyfriend, girlfriend, pwedeng family member, anak, nanay, tatay, kapatid, kaibigan, okay, or kung sino man na kasama mo sa pagpangarap nito, Pisces. Okay, pagtupad ng pangarap. And ito na, Six of Wands. There's a recognition. There's something, or pwedeng ikaw din yung may pangarap, Pisces, and there is someone na nakakita ng potential mo for your work, okay, for your skills or anything, and mabibigyan ka ng recognition regarding to this kind of skills or work, Pisces. Okay, so maganda po. So ano pa yung message niyo po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Mga gabay, mensahe, mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces. There's the Moon and there's a Queen of Wands. Okay, so and there's always a night time or something like merong gabi. Okay, merong gabi, okay? Kasi there's the moon and then there's the stars, okay? So, obviously, it's night time. So, posibleng, kumbaga, may mga sitwasyon sa buhay na mostly sa gabi, I don't know, okay? Or, pwede din namang mabibigyan ng liwanag. Although, may mga situations lang, mga obstacles, mga struggles along the way, okay, na medyo nagpapadilim sa paligid, pero merong liwanag na naggagabay sa'yo, gumagabay sa'yo, Pisces, para makakuha or maabot mo yung pangarap mo, okay? And you manifested, you attract this kind of dreams, Pisces, with this Queen of Wands, okay? So, napapansin nyo, meron tayo ditong dalawang wands and meron tayo ditong dalawang major arcana, the star and the moon, okay? So, pwedeng you're dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, or Aquarius, okay? So, this is something like reaching your dream, okay, Pisces, or you're dealing with a specific person and both of you have a dream, have a goal na inatrack nyo, ginawa nyo paraan, okay? And andito na, abot kamay. Pasensya na, Pisces, abot kamay. Pasensya na sa okay? So, natawa ako doon. So, there is something na pangarap na pag-abot or pagtupad para sa iyo or para sa inyong dalawa, okay? So, take mo lang kung saan po mag-resonate and you have been manifesting this kind of dream, Pisces. Ayan, no? Pwedeng you are some type of spiritual, okay? Pwedeng naniniwala ka sa mga something like manifestations, something like mga healing, mga attraction, something like that, okay? Pwede meron kang alagang pusa, okay? Pwedeng you're a cat person, pwede ding hindi, it's okay lang, okay? And, yeah, pwedeng you're dealing with specific person na ganito. Okay, whatever it is, pwedeng your spiritual, anong tawag nito? Yung parang mga manifestor, mahilig sa mga pamahiin, yung mga ganon. Pwede po. Pwede ding hindi. It's okay lang. Okay? So, at the end of the day, okay, the bottom of our reading is there something na dream, there's something na pangarap to this kind of situation, Pisces. It's either your pangarap or you're dealing with a specific person na pangarap nyo. Okay? And mina-manifest nyo tong dalawa. Okay? Mina-manifest nyo tong dalawa. Mina-manifest mo to. And you are claiming this kind of energy, Pisces, with this 6 of Wands. Okay? Kumbaga, meron kayong ginagawa for this situation na maabot, maging maayos, maging maganda yung takbo nito, Pisces. Okay? And maganda, that's so good. Ang reading natin na yun is something like dreams and claiming it, manifesting it. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words, kung sino po itong dinidil ni Pisces or ano po yung mga konektado for Pisces. It's either this is N or U. Okay? Take nyo lang kung saan. Okay? So, ano pa po yung message nyo po for Pisces? Blonde. Ano pa? 1. City. 9. Travel. N. Okay, so this is U and then this is N. There's a 19, 1 or 9, city, there's someone na blonde, meron ding travel, younger, ano pa, may message pa po ba for Pisces? It's either this is a W or M. Okay? And isa pa po, kung meron pa po kayong message 5. There's a 5, 1, 9, and then younger, blonde, city, travel, tapos yung initials is U, N, and W. Okay, so yun po ang ating reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. Naway nagustuhan nyo po. Huwag nyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay, so thank you, Pisces, and God bless!